Coyote Outdoor Living has barbecues and smokers for every walk of life. And what I love about the brand new electric grill is that it is compact, and yet you can get a lot of food on this. Here I've got multi-level cooking, all kinds of power up to 550 degrees and as low as 175. It's got adjustable shelves on the side, and if you remove it from the base, this is portable. You can use it inside, you can use it outside, and what I love is I take it with me on the boat, take it with me when I go camping. And for apartment dwellers and those of you in the city, this is the perfect thing for the balcony when you're looking to get that flavor, the flavor that comes from grilling. Now, this is not just your average electric grill. Tucked inside there, the engineers from Coyote have put briquettes. Those briquettes are going to give you that radiant heat. So when you put on products like chicken and beef and fish, there's enough radiant heat reserved in that to give you that really good sear you're looking for. Now that sear, that's going to translate out into flavor. The other thing that I love about this grill is its beautiful finishings. You can see the brushed stainless with the polished. In every detail, this is an engineering success for your backyard. So whether it's at your camper, with you on your boat, in your backyard, or on the patio, the Coyote Outdoor Living electric grill is just what you need to keep barbecuing all summer long.